Hi everyone, welcome to this channel. In today's video, I will show you and tell you how you can easily change the lock screen wallpaper on your iPhone. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, be sure to put your likes, write comments, and let us get started with you. So, if you want to change the wallpaper, to do this, you will need to swipe your finger from the top of the screen down. It's best to do it on the left side of the screen. Like this, to go to the lock screen. And next, to change the wallpaper, you pinch on an empty field. You can do it in the middle of the screen. And as you can see, we have here a menu of our wallpapers that we may have already set. If you want to set a new one, then you scroll to the very end and click on this box on the plus side. And you get to the menu where you can change the wallpaper. So, here you can choose wallpapers of different themes: emoji, space, flowers. You can choose absolutely anything. Let's say I like this wallpaper. And what can you do next? You can go down at the bottom. As you can see, there's a line like this. You can choose the color of this wallpaper. Any color you like. You can also click on this button here in order to choose what color you want the background to be. It can be automatically set, for example, as I have green right now. You can also choose dark or light, then it will look like this. And in order to save your changes, you just click Add. And then, as you can see, you can also either save everything or you can change the wallpaper that you're going to have on your desktop screen. To do that, you click on Home Screen. And here you can also change the color. You can also add a blur, and you can add a photo from your gallery. To do that, you click on the photo sign. And then at the top, click on All. And then you can select absolutely any photo from your gallery. Then you can apply that photo, for example, like a little video like this. You can also apply some effect. It's like black and white or some other effect. And also you can, if you don't like this photo, you can change it. If you're happy with the changes, you click Done. Next, once again, we click Done. And now, to see the changes, we click on our just created on wallpaper on the lock screen. And as you can see, now we have changed the wallpaper on both the lock screen and the desktop. So you can change your lock screen wallpaper or your desktop wallpaper as you like. I hope you found this video useful. Be sure to subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to like and comment. And until next time, friends.